What's going on? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk to you about Jianpu Technologies, ticker is JT. I want to go over some of the recent developments from this company and why you need to add them to your watch list. Before I get into any of that, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, let's get right to it. So I'm also going to have a link to their website right here in the description below. It goes over what they're all about, stock quotes, so the last price, the volume, market cap, and some of the recent PR. So if you are very curious about learning more about the company, highly suggest you popping over to their website and taking a look at it. But this did come out fairly recently, and this was by Grand View Research. And so ultimately this kind of report does talk on AI in the fintech sector and how it has been thriving and will continue to do so in the foreseeable future. So based on this, it does say that the fintech market size in 2021 was valued at $9.45 billion. And it has grown even just in that 1 year. So market size as of 2022 was 12.11 billion, which is already huge growth in among itself, but it is projected to be around 41.16 billion by 2030. That does work out to be about a 16.5% compound annual growth rate, which is absolutely huge. In addition to that though, China issues guidelines to promote high quality development of inclusive finance. So in here, it kind of talks on how China has underscored its commitment to supporting financial institutions, embracing AI in all other technological means in a circular released in October. So this says October the 11th, which demonstrates the government's determination to foster the systematic development of digital inclusive finance. So having the backing of the government is absolutely key. And plus, recently at the Tencent Global Digital Ecosystem Summit, Jianpu's CEO, which is David Yin, did deliver a presentation about the implementation of large language models in the financial industry. And so he ultimately did say that the company's focus going forward will be on developing flexible and low coupling AI solutions with comprehensive coverage in AI productive architecture. I did touch on a lot of this in my previous video, which was about 2 months ago, give or take. So if you are curious, I'll have a link to that in the description below as well. But he also did highlight at that conference or summit, I guess, he highlighted Jianpu's diverse application of AI technology to date, including optimizing risk management, enhancing operational efficiency, and improving the customer experience. So once again, that is absolutely huge. So not only is the AI sector, or I guess fintech sector, thriving, but this company also does have the backing of the government, which is once again a key asset. They recently did come out with their earnings as well. So this came out, and so this is their Q3 earnings up until September 30th, 2023. A couple of things I just wanted to highlight from here. So David Yin, once again the chairman and CEO of Jianpu, does say that we have made progress in navigating the challenging environment and executing our diversification strategy since earlier this year, resulting in an increase of 12% year over year of our total revenue, which did work out to be about 113.8 million USD, of course. So once again, that is absolutely key. And plus this right here. So this highlights how they're already transforming the AI sector by the cost of operations decreasing 30.5%. That is year over year, which they do say that the decrease was primarily attributed to the decrease in data acquisition costs, as well as a decrease in software development and maintenance costs related to the big data and system-based risk management services, which primarily resulted in the deconsolidation of NYSE Wisdom. As well, one interesting thing to note is that in this earnings, during the conference call, the CEO's prepared remarks were delivered by a trained AI assistant, reflecting the company's intentions to advance the application in AI technology. So this company is one of those ones that you need to add to your watch list, has a huge amount of growth in the foreseeable future, and based on the earnings, they seem to be doing a lot of things right. So let me know your thoughts on this company in the comments below. What stood out to you? What didn't? What's your viewpoint? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, I appreciate you watching.